The big game is starting in an hour, and you're in charge of ordering the pizza. It'll arrive in 30 minutes by autonomous robotic delivery. An hour passes by and the pies aren't here yet. The game started and the gang is starving. They stare at you, giving that look that you just had one job. Turns out, your pizza pie has been hacked, sent off to the hacker Hocus XTX. Sad to say, you're the zero of the party. But how could this be avoided in the future? Simple. The blockchain, friends. The blockchain ain't just used for a secure ledger for cryptocurrency or NFTs. It's tamper-proof of records of all transactions. In fact, its purpose is listing data structures known as blocks connecting in a chain. The blocks contains information, storing the hash of information in the block, and also the hash of the previous blocks in the chain. Hashing is just a process of converting the strings of text into the series of unique numbers and letters. Now, how would this help something like a delivery service? The information stored in each block are a set of directions to follow. If a hacker attempts to alter the content of the block, it then changes the block hash. In essence, the altered block is no longer connected to the chain. The direction change will be ignored by the robot. The blockchain is a record of all transactions. Even if the autonomous delivery car mistakenly taken a different address to deliver to, it'll eventually realize the mistake once it compares the correct address stored in the blockchain. MIT tested a transaction-based communication with multiple robots where a group and one leader receives a fixed number of tokens that are used to add transaction to the chain. One token is needed to add one transaction. If the followers figure out that the information in the block is incorrect, it checks what the leader sends out. Then the leader loses the token. If the leader has no tokens, it can't send any more messages. It can't spread any misinformation. It can't be hacked because it can correct itself. The researchers tested their system by performing a simulation of follow the leader. By using the blockchain, the leader sends out the directions to the followers. The leader would broadcast incorrect directions. The followers were initially misled by the leader, but the transaction-based system enabled all followers to eventually reach their correct destination. The blockchain isn't just a crypto ledger system. It's growing to do so much more. It's young and evolving,